Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm partnering with Tweexy to show you their Hinge polish holder. So the Tweexy Hinge polish holder has all the great features of their wearable polish holder, which I don't know if you remember, but I tried it out many years ago when it first launched. I'm genuinely a big fan of Tweexy. I really love all the products they create since they're always very high quality and actually work. The difference with the Hinge is that it includes engineered patented smart grip airlock technology that grips on all smooth, flat, and clean surfaces, even vertically, so you could stick this on your car window and it'll stay in place. The holder won't tip even with a ton of force and will only release when pulled straight up. You want to always clean the bottom of the holder and the surface where you want to place it for the best grip. You can also rotate the angle to 45 degrees to fit whatever's most comfortable for you. It holds all bottle shapes and sizes and allows you to polish your nails without worrying about spilling the bottle and making a huge mess, which I've definitely done a few times. No matter where you're polishing or what you're doing, the holder will stay put and won't tip over, as you can see in my little demo here. It's also super easy to release the holder and put it somewhere else without ruining your newly painted nails. This is great if you need to move it to paint the other hand. Plus, knowing the bottle is held very securely in place gives a lot of peace of mind. So all in all, I highly recommend the Tweexy Hinge polish holder. I think it's a great product and something that makes polishing a lot easier. If you'd like to grab one, I'll have a link in the description below. And that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how this product works. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.